How to travel like you're rich, even on a budget. Most people think travel is only for the wealthy. Private jets, five-star hotels, exotic beaches, that kind of life seems out of reach. But here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to live richly. You need to be strategic. Let me show you exactly how to travel like you're rich, even if you're on a budget. Step 1. Use credit card points in travel rewards. Wealthy people use credit as a tool, not a trap. You can book flights and hotels almost entirely for free using reward points. Here's how. Apply for travel credit cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture, or Amex Gold. Look for sign-up bonuses. Many offer 60,000 plus points just for spending $3,000 in 3 months. Pay off the card in full every month. Never carry interest. Use the card for regular purchases. Groceries, gas, bills must to rack up miles. Pro tip. Some cards let you transfer points to airlines and hotel programs for even better deals. Step 2. Travel in the off-season. Smart timing. Conquer big savings. Wealthy people know timing is everything. Flights and hotels can drop 40–70% just by avoiding peak dates. Skip major holidays and school breaks. Go to tropical destinations during shoulder season, like May or September. Europe in the spring or fall is cheaper, less crowded, and still beautiful. You'll spend less and enjoy more. Step 3. Use fare trackers and deal finders. Cheap flights don't come to you. You hunt them. Here are the best tools. Google Flights. Track prices and set alerts. Hopper. Predicts when to buy or wait. Skyscanner. Shows the cheapest days to fly to any destination. Going, formerly Scott's Cheap Flights. Free email alerts with flight deals and mistake fares. Pro tip. Use incognito mode in your browser when searching for flights. Some sites raise prices if they see you're searching repeatedly. Step 4. Stay smarter, not fancier. Looking rich doesn't always mean spending big. Use Airbnb or hostels for longer stays. Look for hotels with free breakfast, airport shuttle, or kitchenettes. That saves money on food and transport. Use Hotel Tonight for last-minute discounts on luxury hotels. Want a luxury hotel on a budget? Step 5. Eat like a local, not a tourist. Food can be one of the biggest travel expenses unless you plan it right. Eat where locals eat, avoid tourist traps. Grocery shop for snacks, water, and a few meals. Try one splurge meal but save elsewhere. This keeps your experience rich without breaking your wallet. Step 6. Travel light and avoid hidden fees. Baggage fees can kill your budget. Stick to carry-on only if possible. Pack neutral multi-use outfits, save space and money. Bring a reusable water bottle and snacks for airport savings. Bonus, you move faster and avoid long waits at baggage claim. Step 7. Set a realistic daily budget. You don't have to plan every detail, but give yourself a daily spending cap. Set aside money for transportation, meals, fun, and extras. Use apps like Trail Wallet or Travel Spend to track expenses on the go. Split spending into categories: 40% lodging, 25% food, 20% experiences, 15% emergency. This makes you feel in control, not restricted. Step 8. Make money while you travel. Bonus. Want to make your trip even more affordable? Start earning while you explore. Start a travel blog or YouTube channel. Do remote freelance work or content editing. Become a digital nomad or teach English online. Sell digital products like travel guides or presets. Record content and monetize later with brand deals. The wealthy use their travels to create more income, not just spend it. Final thoughts. Being rich isn't just about having money. It's about making intentional moves with the money you already have. Traveling smart, stacking rewards, booking strategically, and spending intentionally. These are things anyone can do, and most millionaires actually do them. You don't need to be rich to see the world. You just need the right mindset and the right moves. If you're ready to start traveling like you're rich, even before your bank account says so, subscribe to Mind on Millions Official and drop A in the comments if you learned something today.